Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing my hair. So I'm going to be doing crochet braiding. As you can see, I've braided my hair. This is the pattern of my hair. My hair is really tiny. I've cut my hair, so I barely have a hair to grip onto, but I still managed to do a little cornrow here for the crochet. So let's just get right into it. So this hair was sent to me by a company on Amazon to review it. So I'm going to put all the details down below. Can't find the name. So let's just get right into it. So we're just doing a quick crochet hairstyle. I'm wondering if I'm going for a long one or short one. What do you think? Okay, let's just get right into it. Somebody did it here. Need to get the process beauty out. Control process beauty tilt. Sorry guys. My buckle is flipping the beads really funny. Oh my god. You don't know anything about hair. Just keep quiet. Let me do my thing. You don't know about weaving and all that, no. You just tie it up and circle it through. No, I mean. Alright, I'll let you do my hair one day then. You actually tie it or just link it and see how you do. You wanna have a go? No, I'll dog it out. So crochet hair is really easy to do, and it saves you lots of money and a trip into the salon. I'm not able to do my hair all the time, but yeah, when I manage to do it, I do it myself. The reason why I keep cutting my hair is because of my pains. When I'm doing my hair, my shoulder will hurt, and the following day I'm in a lot of pains. But I do it once in a while, and crochet hair seems to save me money. I don't have to go to the salon to get it done. Just trying to feel it. Yeah. Nuts everywhere. So this is the finished result of the crochet. I used 3 packs of it because just a few goes a really long way. Decided to wear it curly. So this is it. And yeah, it looks nice. This is the back. It's my back side. This is the side. I decided to go with no pattern, cover my pattern, because my hair is colored underneath it. I don't want it to be showing, so that's what I decided to go for. So yeah, I'm just easily style it. No, that's it really. And if I want to tie it, I don't have to always wear it this way. I can also just grab some of the hair from my back and just go like that. I like this one to be hanging, so I go like that. So you can tie it like that. So I can wear it all down or like half tie like this. Yeah, this is the finished result. As you can see, you see my hair is colored, so it's showing. So I put this one here, just easily covered it. Yeah, so it's easy to separate. It's the finished result. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.